Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. I'm playing around with the LAROI song called Baby, I'm Back. So this is a nice song and it goes in one chord progression. And that means we're gonna play in the same way from the beginning till the very end. Let's take a look at this one with the capo set on the 2nd fret. With that, we're gonna have the right pitch for this song. So let's go over the 4 chords needed. So we're gonna start with C first. Right, so that goes 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, then open E. We have B minor, that is a bar chord, and that's played with a bar on the 2nd fret, 5 strings from bottom up, that's what you're gonna bar, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. We have E minor coming up, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is A minor. Okay, so that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we're gonna start from the beginning here and look at the 1st chord, the C. And I can just mention the rhythm here with all the different strumming patterns here, pretty much. They're a little bit different. That will be the challenge here, but yeah, you have to listen for it and then really learn it, and then it just flow naturally. You will see. Anyway, let's go into the 1st chord, C, and you're gonna play like this: down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so that is to start with down, clap, and then comes down, up, down, clap, down, up. Okay, so down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. If you think down, up in the end there is too much, you can just go with down, okay? That doesn't hurt too much, so it will be like this. Okay, over to the next chord, that will be B minor. And you're gonna play like this. So it's down, a short pause, and then up clap. And that's it. So. And over to the next chord, the E minor. That will be down, clap, down, up. So that is down, and then up, down, clap, down, up. Over to the next chord, that is A minor, and it will be like this: down, up, clap, down, up. Okay, so you're gonna start in the same way as you play the B minor: down, up, clap, and then just down, up, and end there. So. And you go next to B minor, back to this chord. And you're gonna play in the same way as A minor, that is down, up, clap, down, up. And on the final part here, you have 2 options. Either you go with the melody, I'm gonna show you pretty soon, or you're gonna play the E minor, and that is to play in the same pattern as you started with the C, the down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. So the E minor with strumming will be like this, the ending here. And that ends one round. And you start just over with the C again. Or you go with the melody and it goes like this. Okay, so that will be on the open E string, then 2nd E, then 3rd E, then open A, then 2nd A, and then that part, and that will be open D, 2nd D, and open D. Alright, so 2 different endings there. You choose, and that is the end of one round. You just play like this over and over. I'm gonna give you one round here, so let's do it. And that's it, guys. The Kid LAROI's Baby I'm Back. Feel free to support me on guitar, and I really appreciate that, guys. So thank you so much, and play tuned.